I'm gonna do bacon from raw in 60 seconds. And then I'm gonna do my burger here in 70 seconds. So in just around 2 minutes, I'm going to have a bacon burger ready to go. What I want to show you folks here is the clamshell griddle. All it is a top and bottom griddle. Why are they so fast? Why are they so effective and efficient? Well, because this is heated too. And normally, traditional griddle, we all know we put the product on, whenever it's time to flip, then you go in and flip it. But at any very busy, very fast-paced, high volume, this is the best way to do products consistently and quickly because we have the top and bottom. It's extremely versatile. There's tons of stuff you can do on here. We roast vegetables. You know, if you're doing things like grilling portobellos, you can close this. It'll be done in under 2 minutes. You're also not working at a super high temperature like you would on a traditional broiler, where you're relying on somebody to do it and flip it and do the marks or the griddle, you know, for the same amount of time. Every time. It's all pre-programmed. You'll notice this also has the easy touch controls. So once programmed, we have our friendly little USB below. You can have them read AM, PM, apps, entrees, desserts. You can set up the groups just like you can in the combi, just like you can, you know, in the fryers or the Mary Chef. You can automatically have those menus change time throughout the day. So if you have a different breakfast program at 10:59 a.m., it can automatically change from breakfast to lunch. And you can have it automatically change temperatures to the platen. You can have those products on the screen will change as well. A lot of multi-unit operators are utilizing these, so we do all of our R&D on one of these platforms, and then they deploy it out to their other stores. So this is our single platen. We have it available in single, double, and triple as well. So if you have a lot of high volume going, that's one of the best ways to do it. So those are also available in gas or electric. 70 seconds. Now what I want you to do when this platen comes down, watch as it kind of stops. And then after a few seconds, you're gonna watch it drop down all the way before it makes contact with the burger. That's what's called active compression. Only the Express Grill by Garland has active compression. So what you notice is that the platen came down perfectly flat and then slowly applied pressure onto the product. So that allows us to do, if you want to do smash burgers, chicken, items which normally if you have a traditional clamshell, sometimes if it's a very dense product or you have products that are different sizes, that can actually start to, make that top platen not always flat. So that active compression comes down, flattens out, and then slowly applies the pressure on the product. 5 seconds left on that. So look at that, 70 seconds, and look at the color that I have on the top of there. So look, now there's the top, and there's the bottom. So in 70 seconds, that is the burger that we have ready to go. And I can just move my fat out of the way. And then we'll let that hang out for 1 second here. We'll build our burgers. Got a little bit of our burger sauce here. Little LT. Always shredded lettuce. And there you go. Switch over to bacon. In 60 seconds, we will have nice, crispy bacon from raw. And normally when you're doing bacon, it's taking 12 to 15 minutes because I know bacon is super subjective of what's done. But that for me, for 1 minute, that's pretty doggone good when it comes to bacon. There you go. There's top and bottom of the bacon after 60 seconds right there. We're just going to go ahead and add this over to one of our burgers. So somebody gets double bacon, the other person doesn't get bacon. But there you go. So in real time, if I started everything equally, I would have a bacon burger ready in well under 3 minutes from raw.